Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you just walk in, then you do anything of your choice, anything you like. Just look at what I am doing, do anything you like, anything of your choice for some few seconds or for some minutes, right? Then after that, you can now walk out. After that, now
save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, then click on that volume sign to silence the volume. Okay, after that, you locate where you want the video to start from. Locate where you want the video to start from, click on it now, make a split, delete the first part, we don't need it again. Locate where you want the video to stop. You can locate where you want it to stop, alright? Then you click on it again, make a split, delete the last part. So at this point, click on the video, right? You want to make yourself have long leg. Click on the video now. Look for retouch, alright? Look for retouch. Click on retouch now. Click on body. Go and locate legs. Click on legs now, alright? Then you adjust it to 100%. Look at it, you're having long leg. Mark on that good and go back now. Then yes, then you want to click on export. Export this one. After exporting it, click on done. Click on that turn sign. Click on new project again. Import the one you just exported. Import it back. Then you click on it for the second time. Go and still look for retouch again. Look for retouch. Click on retouch. Click on body. Alright. Click legs for the second time. Legs. Adjust it to 100% again. Look at it. You are beginning to have long leg. After that, now you mark on that good, then you go back again, mark on the good now, look at it, mark on that good, then you go back, then you export this one for the second time, you export it, allow it to export. After that, mark on done, click on that dance for the second time, click on new project, import this one again, look at your long leg there, import it. You click it for the third time, still look for retouch, alright? Click on retouch for the third time, alright? Click on body again, locate legs for the third time, adjust it to 100%, mark on that good and go back, alright? So at this point, look at what we have got. Look at how long your leg is. If you still want to make the leg longer, you still go through the same process, but at this point I feel and I think I am okay with what I have gotten to so far. So that is how to make long leg video, alright? So at this point, your video is ready. To be remaining now is for you to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. Then after that, you export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after adding your effect, now you can now export your video to your gallery to share it to your social media handles. Okay, so what will be happening now is you click on export and export your video to your gallery. At this point, a video is ready. Okay, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you love what we are doing, why not give us thumbs up? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.